just another microwaving video. This is a rocket motor. It's a nice little rocket motor, and we're gonna put it in there. We're gonna light it too, just for double effects to see what's gonna happen.
Are we ready?
Yep.
No, I'm not. Not?
Just point it down at the thing. Still on?
Yeah. Counting down for 25 seconds.
Might as well open it now.
Oh.
Look at this. Ah, shit, that's pretty warm.
Okay. Oh yeah, it's hollow.
Oh god, it stinks really bad. Sounds like there's a light bulb in there.
I know, I wonder if the gunpowder was doing that.
Must have been.